Hi, my name is Andreas, and I'm from Sydney, New South Wales. And I had the diagnosis of asthma, and since I was 10 years old. And before I was speaking with Roger, the everyday life was stressful, and the asthma keeps coming up, and I had to use a puff. And when I have sessions with Roger, it just went away. So I'm just excited about it because now I can run and do stuff without having to use a puffer, the Ventolin. So I suggest if anyone is an asthmatic, speak with Roger and he can help you. He really can help you. So if there's anyone out there, I recommend to see Roger. Thank you.